Imagine a world where you feel connected to yourself, where you have the space to explore your thoughts and emotions, and where you can find true inner peace. This may sound like a dream, but it's not. It's the power of solitude. But what is solitude, and why is it so important for personal development? And most importantly, how can we use it wisely? In this video, we'll explore Carl Jung's ideas on solitude and how to use it wisely for personal growth. As Carl Jung, the famous Swiss psychiatrist and psychoanalyst, once said, solitude is a necessary ingredient for any deep relationship with the self. Solitude allows us to reflect and introspect, to connect with our inner selves and understand our thoughts, feelings, and motivations. It's a space where we can be completely honest with ourselves and gain clarity on who we are and what we want in life. But solitude isn't just about being alone. It's about being in a state of mindfulness and self-awareness. It's about using the time and space to actively engage with our inner selves, rather than simply avoiding external distractions. We often think of personal growth and self-discovery as something that happens when we're constantly surrounded by people and experiences, but the truth is, it's in the quiet moments of solitude that we can truly get to know ourselves. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, don't be afraid to take a step back and spend some time alone. It's in that solitude that we can truly find ourselves and grow into the best version of ourselves. As we delve deeper into the topic of solitude, it's important to remember that there is a fine line between healthy solitude and excessive isolation. It's crucial that we, as individuals, learn how to set boundaries with our solitude. We should strive to incorporate solitude into our lives in a healthy and balanced way. But what does this look like in practice? One effective way to do this is by engaging in activities that can be done alone, such as journaling or meditation. Meditation allows us to quiet our minds and focus on the present moment. It is a powerful tool for self-discovery and inner exploration. Incorporating a daily meditation practice can help us to cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and inner peace. When we meditate, we learn to observe our thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations without judgment, and come to a place of inner stillness. This inner stillness allows for a deeper understanding of ourselves and can help us to navigate the world with more clarity, wisdom, and compassion. By incorporating meditation into our solitude practice, we can gain a deeper understanding of who we are and what we want in life. By setting aside time to meditate, we can create a space of inner calm and reflection, which will help us to better understand our own needs and wants, and to make choices that align with our values and goals. So, our call to action for you is to take some time for yourself and engage in activities that allow for solitude and reflection. Whether it's journaling, meditating, or simply taking a walk in nature, make sure to set aside time for yourself each day. And remember, the key is to find the balance and use solitude wisely in order to enhance your personal growth and self-discovery. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery. Remember, the power to change and grow lies within you.